Welcome back to my channel guys. I'm Snehal and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and beauty. So today we are going to do a haul video, the most requested haul video from all of you, and I'm talking about Amazon haul. I keep ordering a lot of stuff from Amazon, but I never really thought of doing a haul video because it is the most random stuff. I mean, I order right from the kitchen, my groceries, home decor and my skincare, personal care, everything from Amazon, and during this pandemic it has been my savior in this time. But since you all have requested for this video, I thought of creating an Amazon haul video for you all. So without any further ado, we are just going to jump into the video. But before that guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button for this video as well. And let's just get started. So I had to mention one thing here guys, the Amazon Prime Day sale is on and it is there on 6th and 7th of August, so you can purchase any of these items that are there in this haul, and I am going to leave all the links in the description box down below, so do check it out and do make the most of this opportunity. So now let's just get started with the video. So the first product that I have ordered from Amazon is a chest of drawer or dresser you can say, and I really wanted this product since a very long time, since the time I have shifted in this new house. So I was looking for something in white color and I checked out on Pepperfry, Urban Ladder, but they didn't have something that I had in my mind, and the ones they had were really expensive. So I got this at a very affordable rate and I love the quality of this one. I actually wanted to order from IKEA, but IKEA doesn't deliver in my city, so I had to order it from Amazon, but it is similar to IKEA product and at a very affordable rate. I'm going to attach a picture somewhere on the screen, and you can in fact check out my video because I have already made an assembly video of that chest of drawer and I'm sure you'll love it, and I highly recommend you try this out guys. It is an amazing product with a very good quality, very sturdy, and if you're looking for a good dresser or like extra storage option, you can definitely go for this one. The second product that I have ordered from Amazon is this watch case or watch organizer you can say, and it is in leather and it has a glass top on it and it has 6 compartments I guess. I've already kept my watches in here and few of my husband's watches also. So this is a very good quality. I was not sure that I'll get this good quality. I was not expecting this good quality. It is it's very heavy. It's not a cheap quality. The material is very good, so very nice. You can even use this while traveling if you want to, like carry more than one watches. You can, carry in this one and your watches will be safe. So definitely try this product guys. I'm going to leave all the links in the description box down below if you want to check out any of these products that I'm showing in the haul video, so do check out my description box for that. The next product is this anti-slip mat, and it is a 5-meter long mat actually. It's like a complete roll, and I have ordered this to put it in my drawers, the chest of drawer that I'm talking about, because I don't want it to get stained with my makeup or anything else, so I want to keep it very nice and clean and neat. So I have ordered this one, so you can cut it in any size you want and it is washable. You can machine wash it also, so it's a very nice product. You can also use it for your kitchen drawers or in the fridge you can use it, so it is a multi-purpose product. Definitely try this. Then next I have ordered these 2 trays or baskets you can say, plastic baskets, to keep my skincare or makeup organized in that chest of drawer. Again, I have got all the stuff related to that chest of drawer because I want to organize my makeup. It is lying everywhere in my house, so I wanted to keep it organized nicely. This is a very good quality product. It's not that cheap plastic, so you can check it out. They have different color options also and size options also in this particular one, so I'll leave the link in the description box down below so you can check it out. Then next I have ordered a set of curtains from Home Center brand and it is available on Amazon, and I'm so glad because I love Home Center stuff and Home Center store is not there in my city again, so I have to purchase it from Pune or Bombay whenever I go there, but it's available on Amazon now. And I had ordered one window curtain from Home Center earlier and I wanted the same one for my door, so I have ordered the door curtain this time, and I will attach the picture because I already put the curtain on my door, so I'll attach the picture on the screen. You can see. I highly recommend that you try Home Center products for your home decor or your furnishing, your bed linen or something. They are amazing products. Half of my house is decorated with that stuff, so you can check it out guys. Then next I have ordered these cotton swabs from Miniso. Yes guys, Miniso is also there on Amazon, so you can check out the cute stuff on Amazon now. I told you I ordered the most random stuff from Amazon. I love Miniso cotton swabs just for the fact that the stick is in paper. It's made of paper and not plastic, so I really like it. And for everyone who thinks that Miniso is a Chinese brand, it is not. It is from Japan, so you can definitely go for this one. I highly recommend you try these cotton swabs. These are very good quality. The next product is again by Miniso. This is a pack of cotton pads, and this is so good quality guys. I always use cotton pads to apply toner or to remove my makeup, so I always need this in stock. So I prefer Miniso ones because they are very good quality, and you get a lot in this pack. This is a pack of 200 or 250 I guess. Yeah, it is a pack of 180 pieces and it is for 190 rupees, and it's totally worth it. Do give it a try. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Then next I have ordered this tripod, and it is so useful guys. I mean, you can put it on any kind of surface. You can bend it the way you want, like this, and you can also put it on a rod or something. If you have to click pictures when you're outdoor shooting, you can use this, and it is totally worth the investment. It is not that expensive. I got it, I don't remember the price now, I'll mention it on the screen somewhere, but this is so good. You can attach your camera also on this. It has just a second, I'll open it and show you. Yeah, so here you can attach the camera, and for the phone you can attach this, and you can attach your phone on this one, and it is expandable also, so it will fit any phone size. So it's a very nice product guys. Do invest in this one if you like clicking your pictures, or you're a YouTuber beginner. This is going to be very handy for you. It is good for vlogging also, so do give it a try. Then next I have got this Bluetooth remote for my phone for clicking pictures or recording videos. I'll just open it and show it to you guys. So basically you connect this to your phone via Bluetooth, and this can connect to Android as well as iPhone and camera also if your camera has Bluetooth. So you just have to switch it on and your phone will discover the Bluetooth of this one. So once you pair this with your phone or camera, you just have to put your camera or phone on tripod or anywhere you want, and you can just click from this remote from a distance and you'll get the perfect shot. So this is best device for everyone who likes to click their own pictures when they're outdoors and they want a picture in certain pose, or they want to record a video. This is a very nice device, very handy. So I highly recommend you try this out, and this is very affordable. I got it only for 250 bucks, and that is like worth the money. So do give it a shot guys, and I highly recommend this. Then next I have ordered these crystal glasses from Amazon. I love how beautiful they are. They look so stunning. The moment I saw it online, I just had to have it in my house because I loved the design. It is so good. The best part is it is like this from outside, but from inside it is very plain, so it is very easy to clean also. So I really like these. I have lost the box of this one, but this is a set of 6 and I had got it for around 600 I guess. I'll leave everything in the description box down below so you can check it out. But look how gorgeous they are. I love it. Then next I have ordered these fridge trays to store vegetables. So this is a set of 4, and I'll just show you one. So it's like this. It's a tray and you can clip it inside the fridge like this, and anywhere on the platform you can clip it like this, and it is expandable also. So you can expand its size and you can use it as a normal tray also, or to wash vegetables also you can use it. So it's a very handy product and it's a good quality product, not that cheap plastic. So I really like it. Ta-da! This is an onion chopper guys. I don't believe I have got this particular product, but I have seen this product a lot of times online also, in stores also, but I never was really keen on getting this one. But I recently saw a lot of people buying it and raving about it, so I thought why not give it a try. So I have ordered for this one, and this is a very handy product. and it's so much fun also, so I thought I'll give it a try. And it's actually very good and very easy to clean. That's the best part, because when you use your mixers and all, it is such a mess to clean. So this is so easy. You just have to remove the blade, and this is like a bowl, so you can easily clean it or rinse it off. And not only onion, you can chop everything, all the vegetables in this. So do give it a try, guys. It's a must-have product in every kitchen, and it is going to be very handy for lazy people like me. So if you are lazy like me, do give it a try. I highly recommend this. Then next, I have got one more storage organization item, and it is this storage box for wardrobe to keep your ironed clothes nicely. So I have purposely got it to show you guys with the shirts kept in this. So you can see almost 20 shirts are there in this right now. Let me just keep it aside so it doesn't come in the way. Okay, so this is such an amazing product. I have got a set of 4, so they have set of 6 also, set of 2 also. According to your requirement, you can order this. But this is such a nice product. I mean, once you keep your shirts in this, or any like cloth in this, it is going to stay that way, and it is going to be very helpful in wardrobe organization. So I highly recommend that you give it a try, and it's going to make your wardrobe very neat and clean, and your wardrobe organization very hassle free. So with that, we come to an end of this video, guys. I hope you liked watching this video, and this video of mine helped you. By the way, there is an offer going on Amazon. Their Prime Day sale is on, so it's there on 6th and 7th of August. So if you want to purchase anything from this haul, so you can check out my description box for that. And I'm going to end my video here, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.